How to fix cannot log in on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix cannot log in on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix if you're not being able to log into Roblox, all you have to do is, first of all, you can try to log in from browser. So if you're trying from app, do not use the app this time. I just recommend you use your browser. Go to www.roblox.com. I will also have a direct link down in the description box as well. Once I leave a direct link and then you click on that link, you'll come to this page where if you don't have a Roblox account, you can create one right away, or you can just click the login button from the top right. Once you click on the login button, here it'll ask you for your username and password, so you simply want to make sure that both of these are actually correct. In case you think it's not correct, then you can just select forgot password or username, and then you can try to reset your Roblox account in that way. Or else, if your details are correct, you can just click on login and then you'll be automatically logged in without any type of issues. So as long as the details are correct, you should be automatically logged in. And if you're not being able to log in on the app, it means the issue is with the app only and not with your account. And most likely, if you're being able to log in from browser, not from app, your browser and account are just fine, and the issue is with the application. So just uninstall and then reinstall the app. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.